Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to adjust volume level for all applications like a pro. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click Start menu, then click Microsoft Store. Click search icon, then type Air Trumpet. Click Air Trumpet app. Click Get. Click Open. Turn off this option. Click Close. Click Show Hidden icon. Drag and drop taskbar. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.